Hello and welcome to Freyman CPA. I'm Greg Freyman, owner and CEO of the company. Thank you for reaching out again, and I'd like to say that you're definitely taking the step in the right direction by seeking out professionals that have great expertise in the accounting and finance industry. Many people reach out to us with questions from all facets, and they can range greatly. Some individuals will seek us out with the start of their business, and they're curious as to which entity to form or what tax deductions are available to them. Some will engage with us on specific tax matters that they would like for us to research and how it pertains to them either on an individual basis or on a business basis. Others might just need us for tax preparation once a year type of engagement, while others need more ongoing services where we're providing regular maintenance and advice and processes along the whole year, such as bookkeeping, maybe sales tax compliance, estimated income tax payments, business tax compliance, and so on. So the more information you leave for us here in this contact section, the better we can reach out and respond to you and give you a good estimate as to what we would ultimately need in resources to help accommodate you in your situation. Anyway, again, thank you for reaching out. I look forward to speaking with you, and I hope you have a great power day. Take care.